Hey everyone, welcome back to IdeaPlex, the place where we explore the coolest tools to make your creative journey easier and more exciting. Today, I'm diving into something super interesting, an AI platform called DeeVid AI that promises to turn anyone into a video making pro. Imagine being able to create professional quality videos in just minutes without needing any technical skills or a big budget. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's exactly what DeeVid AI promises. But does it live up to the hype? Stick around, because in this video, I'll give you a complete walkthrough, share my honest thoughts, and help you decide if this is the right tool for you. Let's get started. Alright, so what exactly is DeeVid AI? It's an AI-powered platform designed to help you create professional-looking videos without needing fancy editing skills or expensive software. Turn your text, images, or video prompts into high-quality videos in simple prompts. No technical skills required. Transform written content into captivating videos with ease. Simply input your text prompt and let the AI generate a fully realized video that brings your words to life. It's like having your own video production team in your pocket, which is perfect for creators, marketers, or anyone trying to level up their content game. But here's the thing, there are a lot of AI tools out there, so I decided to put DeeVid AI to the test. Over the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how it works, what it can do, and whether it's worth your time and money. Now let's break down DeeVid AI's features, because this is where things get really exciting. Image to video. This one's a lifesaver if you want to bring static images to life. You can add smooth transitions, effects, and even create a montage if you've got a bunch of images. Turn still images into animated video clips. Whether you're using a single image or a series of images, AI can animate them, adding movement, transitions, and effects to create engaging video content. Video to video. This feature lets you take an old or raw video and completely revamp it. Whether you're adding effects, changing the mood, or tweaking it for a different style, DeeVid's got you covered. Easily transform your existing videos into entirely new styles and formats. Add special effects, change the overall mood, or convert a video into a different genre. AI Video Generator makes it simple. A range of fun and attractive video templates wait for you to explore. From heartwarming moments like AI-generated kisses or hugs to festive greetings like AI Santa videos, you can easily create memorable content for your audience. Experience the speed of AI-powered video creation. Generate videos in 1 minute, saving you time and effort compared to traditional video editing methods. Advanced algorithms to ensure smooth animations, transitions, and effects. Consistent. Make high-quality videos that stand out on any platform. You don't need to be a video editor to create stunning videos. Okay, enough talking. Let me show you how this works in real time. Let's start with the dashboard. When you first log in, you'll notice how clean and intuitive the interface is. It's beginner-friendly, but it also has enough advanced features to keep pros interested. Now let's try image to video. I'll upload a photo, and DeeVid lets me add motion effects, zoom-ins, and transitions. Pretty cool, right? Let's start with the text-to-video feature. I'll paste a short script here, and just like that, DeeVid generates a video. Look at the transitions, the text animations, and even the background music. It's ready to go. Here's how it works. You paste your text, select a template, and the AI does the rest. It adds visuals, transitions, and even background music. It's not perfect. You might need to tweak a few things, but it's a huge time saver. Next, let's talk about automated video editing. If you've ever spent hours cutting clips or syncing audio, you'll love this feature. DeeVid.ai can analyze your footage and automatically trim, arrange, and enhance it. Finally, there are tons of templates and customization options. Whether you're creating a promo video, a social media ad, or a YouTube intro, there's something for everyone. And the best part? You don't need any design skills to make it look professional. Alright, let's see DeeVid.ai in action. I'm going to create a quick video, then I'll paste my script. The AI will generate the video, and I can customize it by changing the visuals, adding captions, and adjusting the music. And here's the finished product. Not bad for a few minutes of work, right? It's not Hollywood level, but it's definitely good enough for social media or a quick promo. Now, let's talk about one of my favorite features, DeeVid.ai's library of 100+ free AI video templates and effects. If you're someone who struggles with design or just doesn't have the time to start from scratch, this is a game changer. Here's how it works. DeeVid. AI offers a huge variety of pre-designed templates for different use cases, whether you're creating a YouTube intro, a social media ad, a product demo, or even a birthday greeting. And the best part? These templates are fully customizable. You can change the text, colors, fonts, and even the visuals to match your brand or personal style. For example, let's say I want to create a promo video for my channel. I can choose a template, paste my script, and the AI will automatically generate a video with professional looking effects, transitions, and music. But it doesn't stop there. DeeVid AI also offers a wide range of effects like motion graphics, overlays, and filters that can take your videos to the next level. Whether you're going for a sleek modern look or something fun and playful, there's something for everyone. And did I mention these templates and effects are free? That's right. Even on the free plan, you get access to this entire library. It's a fantastic way to create high-quality videos without spending a dime on expensive software or hiring a designer. Let me show you how easy it is to use these templates. First, I'll browse the library and pick one that fits my needs. Then, I'll customize it by adding my own text, images, and branding. Once I'm happy with the design, I can preview the video and make any final adjustments. And just like that, I've got a polished, professional-looking video ready to share with the world. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these templates and effects can save you hours of work and help you create videos that stand out. Here's why I think this feature is such a big deal. It's beginner-friendly. You don't need any design skills to create stunning videos. It saves time. Instead of starting from scratch, you can use a template and customize it in minutes. It's versatile. With 100+ templates and effects, there's something for every type of video. So, if you're looking for a way to level up your video content without breaking the bank, DeeVid AI's free templates and effects are definitely worth exploring. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. First, the good stuff. It's fast. I created a 1-minute video in under 10 minutes. It's affordable. Compared to hiring a video editor, DeeVid AI is a steal. It's beginner friendly. If you're new to video editing, this is a great place to start. Customization is limited. If you're a pro looking for advanced editing features, you might find it a bit restrictive. The AI isn't flawless. Sometimes the auto-generated videos need manual tweaking, learning curve. While it's easy to use, mastering all the features takes some time. Now, let's talk about pricing. DeeVid AI offers a free plan with 20 credits per month, which is perfect if you want to test the waters. But if you're planning to use it regularly, the Pro plan is $35 a month, giving you 600 credits and access to more advanced features. For what you're getting, I'd say it's a solid deal, especially if video creation is a big part of what you do. So, is DeeVid AI worth it? In my opinion, absolutely. Especially if you want to create professional videos without spending hours editing. Whether you're a content creator, a small business owner, or just someone who loves experimenting with new tools, DeeVid AI is definitely worth a try. If you're ready to test it out, I've dropped a link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to IdeaPlex, and share this video with someone who's always struggling with video editing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep creating and stay awesome.